Alright, what's up people? This is going to be our first unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a pallet from Walmart with toys. Paid $98 for this pallet and it should have 50 items. It's our first pallet opening, so let's see what we got. First box. Box is pretty much destroyed. We have the RC car. Controller and the battery. Like everything's alright. Say about 20 bucks on that. Alright, a Gravedigger RC. Looks pretty new in box. Don't look like it's been open. Say another 20 bucks. Another RC. These pretty much don't look like they've been opened. So, another 20 bucks. Now this one definitely has been open, like it's been taped shut. Remote RC helicopter. Doesn't look broken. I'm not sure if all of the pieces are in it. It's taped shut. We had to open that one up and see what we got in there. Alright, twist and wear bracelet maker. Looks like it's been open, but let me open up, see what's in here. Yeah, it looks like it's been open, used. Pretty much stuff all over the place. I don't know. Had to look that up and see what was supposed to be in there. Alright, we got Disney Minnie Mouse. What is this? Shop and scan cash register. Definitely has been open, but doesn't look like anything's broken. I don't know, maybe 10 bucks. Got another RC truck. This one has been open. Everything's in it. No, maybe 10 bucks. It's gonna be a lot of stuff. These boxes are, a lot of these boxes are pretty big. Another RC. This one has been open, but like the remote's there. The battery's there. Probably another 20 bucks. I'm gonna start setting some of this stuff on the ground. Pretty much mostly RC cars. Looks to be open, but everything's inside. Remote, car, charger. Let's see what we have here. That's definitely broken. RC car, wheels broken. That's trash. And so we have like a little mini arcade machine. Button seem to work. Might need batteries not turning on, but we'll check that out. See if we can get it to turn on. Another RC helicopter. It's been opened. Remote's there. If it works, maybe 10 bucks. Type of another kid's cash register. Box is destroyed. Look like it has all the pieces in it. Maybe 10 bucks. So it's mostly like a lot of RC cars. Let's see what else we got here. We have another RC helicopter. Look like all the pieces are there. It's definitely been open. I have to look these up and see what they worth. We'll be testing all of these things too, just to make sure everything works. Another RC car. Remote's there. Everything looks to be there. We'll be testing all of these just to make sure everything's in working order. Another RC. This one looks like it may be broken. Can't really tell. We're gonna have to open it and check. Another broken RC. That's trash. Another RC that's outside of the box. Looks like it's in working order. See the battery, the charger, maybe the remote's down in the bottom somewhere. Say the remote to it. Probably another 10 bucks. This one looks new. Look like it hasn't been opened. We have a utility vehicle, little kid's truck, 10 bucks. Another helicopter. Super rubble white wall ball. Not sure what this is. It's my kid's toy. I had to check that out. Look like it's been open, but everything looks to be in there. What we have here? A mountain bike tire. Not sure how much these go for. I had to look that up, but it's been open, but looks like it's in good condition. This is a Adventure Force gun set. I think I actually saw the gun to that in here. I think this goes to that, yeah. So it's like a Nerf set. 10 bucks for that. A lot of these boxes are pretty big, so I'm not sure how much it's going to cost to ship this stuff, but we'll find out. Have a Smithsonian Motorworks system. It's definitely been open. Look like all the parts are in here. Okay. Well, definitely be looking this up and see how much this goes for. But everything for, I don't know, $10. All right, we got this launcher set. Maybe $5-10 for that. Got another RC truck. This one doesn't look to be open. So, another $10. This is a larger RC. Looks to be in working condition. Maybe. Or maybe not. I don't know. I'll test it out. Doesn't look to be broken, so let's see. Pretty big. Alright, getting towards the end. This is mostly RC cars, another RC car. I see the battery, I see the remote for it here. We have a Negan Funko Pop. The box is destroyed, but maybe worth something. I was saying this is our first pallet. We actually have 3 more on the way. This is the only one that's actually a toys pallet. Will not charge. So we'll have to test that out. Another RC car. Getting towards the end here. Just a couple more things. Another Wobble Bright. Not sure exactly what that is, but be looking it up. Another RC helicopter. Another RC. The remote's there, the battery's there. We'll have to test all this stuff out. I'm sure the kids will have fun testing that stuff out. This is a little bit heavy. We have a scooter that lights up. Interesting. LED lights. Pretty heavy. Not sure how much it would be to ship, but cool. Have a Paw Patrol. Says it's broken. Doesn't even look like it's open though, but Paw Patrol. Toy tablet. Another RC copter. Not sure what it is. Another RC. Doesn't look like it's been opened. A lot of stuff in here's been open, but for $97, can't beat it. A lot of stuff in here just new and never been opened. So another RC copter that has been opened. Look like all the parts are still there though. Got a lot of testing to do. A lot of testing to speak. A lot of stuff has been opened. Another cop that has been open. Getting down towards the end. 2 more coppers. These all been open, so all this stuff is going to need to be tested. Have a kid's cash register. It's been open, but it look like everything's there. Couple more things at the bottom. Another mini arcade machine. It's been open. Another super wobble bright. I think that's 3 of those. And this is the last box. Let's see what we have here. Another, oh, this look like this is just trash. I don't know. Oh, it's another super wobble bright that's been opened and torn up. This is trash. Yep, all trash. And one more thing is another one of the mini arcades. So that's pretty much everything for this box. Again, this box cost me $97. It's a lot of stuff to test, but a lot of stuff should be able to post this for sale for a lot of this stuff. We have to test it all, but I think we should be able to make out good on this. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Like I said, we have 3 more pallets coming that are not toy pallets. So we'll be back with our next video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.